Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY cucumber gel using just 2 ingredients. So if you guys are interested, be sure to keep on watching. I'm going to begin by taking a cucumber and cutting it up into smaller pieces. I'm going to add these pieces to the blender, and as you'll see, I'm going to add just the smallest amount of water to help it blend a little bit more evenly. So the reason why we're using cucumbers is that cucumbers are well known to help revitalize and refresh and rejuvenate and hydrate the skin. So they're definitely one of my favorites whenever I'm thinking of new DIY skincare recipes. Once the cucumber has been blended thoroughly, I'm going to take this fillable tea bag and sift out all of the fibrous pieces. You can also use a coffee filter to do this. If you have a regular strainer, you can also use that. But keep in mind, with a regular strainer, you're really not going to get as much of the big pieces out of the liquid. Next, I'm going to measure out 2 tablespoons of the cucumber juice. It ended up being exactly 2 tablespoons. So you're going to see I'm just going to pour it right back into my little bowl. Next, I'm going to add in some unflavored gelatin. So I'm going to use about 1/4 teaspoon, and I'm going to mix that in very thoroughly. So the reason why we're adding the gelatin is, of course, to make it into a gel-like consistency, but gelatin is also a dietary source of collagen. And while there is debate as to whether collagen can actually be absorbed when applied topically, I definitely have noticed it helps to smooth and tighten the skin. So next, you're going to add a tablespoon of boiling water. This is what's going to help dissolve those little gelatin crystals all the way. And again, you're going to mix that really well, making sure everything has dissolved, and then you're going to store it in the fridge. After it's sat in the fridge, you're going to see that it turns into jello basically, and then I'm going to transfer this into a small container so that I'm going to use this when I'm applying it to my skin. This should last you about a week. You want to make sure that it's fresh since this does not have any preservatives, so definitely make sure that it's fresh whenever you're applying it to your skin. If you do want to use this on a consistent basis, I would recommend freezing half of your cucumber juice into little ice cubes and then thawing them out whenever you're ready to use this and mixing it in with the gelatin. So again, I recommend making a fresh batch at least every week. But I've been loving this recipe whenever I have super puffy eyes or my skin really just needs some TLC. So I hope you guys enjoy. So that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you do decide to try this DIY, let me know below what you think. Be sure to check out my other videos for more DIY recipes, and I will see you guys in my next one.